So, you did it. You put in the hard work, you hit your goal weight. So why does it feel like the real battle is just beginning? It's not just you. What most people don't tell you is that keeping the weight off is a whole different challenge. In fact, research shows that a whopping 80% of people who lose weight regain most of it within 5 years. It can feel like you're fighting your own biology, with your body trying to pull you right back to where you started. But what if the secret to lasting results isn't another punishing diet or some crazy new workout plan? What if it's all about making a few small, clever shifts in your day-to-day life? Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple, science-backed habits that will help you keep the weight off for good. And trust me, the first one is the foundation for everything that follows. Alright, our first habit is all about playing offense, meal planning. Think about it. After weight loss, your body is basically looking for any excuse to gain back weight, and the number one trigger is impulse eating. You know the feeling, I'm starving and there's a drive-through right there. Meal planning is your secret weapon against that. The research is clear. People who plan their meals are way more successful at controlling their weight long-term. And no, you don't need to suddenly become a gourmet chef. It's as simple as mapping out what you'll eat for the week. This puts you in the driver's seat. You control the portions, you make sure your meals are balanced, and you all but eliminate those last-minute, wallet-draining fast food emergencies. Here's a pro tip. Never, ever go grocery shopping hungry, and always use a list. When you plan, you stop leaving your success to chance and start designing it. We all know exercise is important, but for weight maintenance, the rules of the game shift a little. It's not just about that 30 or 60-minute session at the gym, it's about all the little movements you do in between. There's a fancy scientific term for this: non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT. In simple terms, it's all the energy you burn doing everything but structured exercise. Think pacing while you're on the phone, taking the stairs, or even just fidgeting. Believe it or not, this non-exercise movement can torch a huge number of calories, sometimes even more than your actual workout. People who successfully keep weight off often get about an hour of physical activity each day, and a huge chunk of that comes from boosting their NEAT. So, look for excuses to move. Park at the far end of the lot. Take a short walk after your meals. Stand up and stretch every hour. These little movement snacks add up and keep your metabolism humming all day. Habit number 3 is about transforming your relationship with food. After a period of dieting, it's easy to get stuck in one of 2 traps. Either you see food as the enemy, or you fall into mindless eating. We've all been there, scrolling through our phones while shoveling down dinner, barely tasting a thing. Our goal is to become a mindful eater instead. Research confirms that when you eat while distracted, your brain doesn't really get the memo that you're full, making it incredibly easy to overeat. So, here's a simple challenge. Eat your meals at a table, free from screens. Try putting your fork down between bites and just slow down. This gives your brain time to get the fullness signals from your stomach. And here's a powerful mindset shift. Instead of obsessing over what to remove from your plate, focus on what you can add. Pile on more vegetables and fiber-rich foods. They're brilliant for helping you feel full and satisfied on fewer calories. Okay, I have to ask, which of these habits is hitting home for you? Or what's been your single biggest struggle when it comes to keeping the weight off? Drop it in the comments below. Seriously, let's get a conversation going and help each other out. Habit 4 is the one that ties it all together. Building a routine that actually has room for real life. Your body and mind thrive on consistency. It helps turn healthy actions into automatic habits. For instance, most people who successfully maintain their weight eat breakfast every day and weigh themselves regularly to stay accountable. But, and this is a big but, the routine has to be flexible, because life happens. There will be birthday cake. There will be days you're too swamped for the gym. The key is not letting one small slip-up derail your entire week. The all-or-nothing mindset is a progress killer. If you miss your morning workout, can you squeeze in a long walk in the evening? If you indulge at a party, can you get right back to your healthy plan the next day without any guilt? It's always about progress, not perfection. And our fifth and final habit is self-monitoring. But this goes way beyond just the number on the scale. Yes, weighing yourself regularly can be a useful tool for catching small regains before they snowball into bigger ones, but it is not the only measure of success. Keeping a simple food and activity journal, even for just a few days a week, can give you incredible insight into your patterns. But just as important, you need to track your non-scale victories. How's your energy? Are your clothes fitting better? Do you feel stronger during your walks? Celebrating these are the wins that build real motivation and reinforce the amazing lifestyle changes you've made. This is how you stay in control and engaged for the long haul. So, there you have it. 5 powerhouse habits to make your weight loss stick. It starts with planning your meals, moves to weaving in more daily movement, focuses on eating mindfully, builds on a flexible routine, and is maintained through smart self-monitoring. So, there you have it. 5 powerhouse habits to make your weight loss stick. It starts with planning your meals, moves to weaving in more daily movement, focuses on eating mindfully, builds on a flexible routine, and is maintained through smart self-monitoring. Remember, keeping the weight off is a different ballgame than losing it. It requires shifting your focus from short-term rules to long-term habits. You will have setbacks. Everyone does. Don't let them discourage you. You have already proven you can do the hard work. This next chapter is all about making that success sustainable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based tips to support your health goals. And don't forget to check out our other video on healthy snack swaps right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.